There we go. Now we're live.
Hey, look at that.
Get this thing going. Oh, NQ's popping up right now.
It's like YM starting to pop up too. Gold's chopping around at this 49.40 price. There's a bunch of orders down at 49.40. Actually, quite a bit down at 49.40.
Is that gold you're looking at?
Price.
49.40?
Yeah. Looks like it's going to hit it here in a couple seconds. Hey, look at that. It hit it.
Wow, big sell-off in London. We are open here.
Look at that. We're off to the races.
YM's looking like a little bit of a dud. Dow futures down $250. Right? Yeah.
Just hit the 65 EMA. Went down to the bottom of a bullish fair value gap. People are going to be selling or taking profits on their gold trades from this entire week.
Yeah,
it is a Friday.
It is Friday. Hey, Luke. Good morning.
Got the NQ.
Yeah, Dow's looking like a dud. NQ's looking okay.
Blue looking pretty bullish right now.
I bought one contract long there and then I sold it. And I was like, God, I'm not playing around with this morning opening.
Just took an NQ long. Should not have done that.
In a bit of a pullback to overnight view op. Johan, good morning.
NQ just erased everything that it had there.
Oh wow, yeah. Nvidia's going up though, from what Financial Juice said. Let's see here. Mag 7 looking pretty bullish, but it's just pulling back currently. Went up to 557 and it came back down to 553. This price action doesn't match the Mag 7. NQ doesn't match the Mag 7 right now. Nick has lost some hair. All the stress. I think he got a haircut probably. I noticed that earlier yesterday or day before.
I lost all of the hair.
Oh, NQ, you poo-poo. Like it's not matching what Mag 7's doing right now.
It really isn't. I don't know why.
Like Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Google. Huh.
Got into a gold long. Just, 1 mini.
Oh. Key level right there. Kind of like Asia low and previous day high. Nice little bounce off of what value got there on the opening. How do we got 9:35?
Is 9:36. Yeah, apparently the lines at the gold, platinum, and silver brokers yesterday were ridiculous. People
Really?
just trying to sell their precious metals.
Huh. There you go. Gold's going nicely now.
Oh yeah, up $600 for now, but all the orders disappeared up above, so stop loss in here. Locked in $50. Maybe we'll have a day like we did yesterday where it just creeps higher all day.
That'd be nice.
That would be lovely. I won't make the mistake I did last night, and I'll put in a take profit up at yesterday's high. Oh yeah, there are hundreds of orders up, all the way up to 5,010. Price is just bouncing around here, though.
Yeah, I took along, but I actually ended up getting stopped out there on that pullback. Small little W. It was looking like it was going to pop, but maybe I'm a minute early.
Yeah, I think you're a little bit early on the pop. Gonna open up that stop loss a little bit.
There we go. Starting to get.
That's better. Come on. Go, man, go.
YM's just looking like poo-poos right now. And NQ.
Ooh. MNQ is looking
Not
ugly.
Yeah, neither any indice right now is looking pretty bearish at the moment.
I made a whole $50 on that one.
Okay.
So $50. All right, I'll take it.
$50. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. They're talking about backtesting on ASFX TV right now, on whether it's worthwhile or whatever.
I think of backtesting the same way I think of paper trading. Why bother?
Yeah, it might be good to build your confidence. You know, like if you trade your strategy.
I mean, that's one way of looking at it, but also here's another way. If you're trading a paper account and you're doing your back testing and you get really confident, you have a couple of things that you do not have in a cash account, a live account, or even a test account. It's the fact that there's real money on the line.
Yeah.
And the stress that comes with it and how that affects your judgment. You can paper trade till the cows come home and it's not going to make a damn bit of difference. You can back test all you want to. It doesn't make any damn difference. Until you start trading with real money, you're just jerking off at that point.
Gotcha. Yeah, definitely.
So just an opinion, and I'm sure somebody is angry that I said that.
I mean, there's some pros, but yeah, there's definitely, it's not the full effect you're going to get from it, right? Like if you need some screen time, say.
I got you.
That's a decent way to get it when you're really new, but I totally agree that, not trading real money, there's a completely different aspect about it. You can just buy it and you don't care what happens after that, right?
Yeah.
And usually when I'm back testing, like 1 minute candle is like actually not even a second. So you don't get to learn time versus trading, right?
Yeah, that's true too.
Because next thing you know, like 30 seconds passes and you got 10 candles on your screen, since when normally you'd be sitting there and you'd still be in that first candle emotionally thinking, what's going to happen here?
Gold might be popping up again here in a second.
I see that.
Oh, shit. Bunch of orders just came on below, too. There's a little pop-up I wanted. Thank you.
I took a short actually there on the gold. It's pulling back about $40 in profit right now. Got my stop locked in there. Let's see if we can't get a bit more of a pullback.
Where are you thinking it's going to pull back to?
I'd be looking for like 40s, low 40s, hopefully. Might just pop up.
There's a bunch of orders at 42.
Looks like he wants to bounce and take me out though. Here it's slow grinding back up. That's not looking good for my stop. Edging my stop right now.
Been along here. Trading 2 cash accounts at the same time, taking the same trades on them.
Oh yeah, nice.
One of them I'm doing with 4 micros, the other one I'm doing with 1 mini.
Oh, we got 10 seconds till news. Those PMIs. Hey, Dad. Good morning. Okay, I got stopped out. Yeah.
Should be getting some price movement here on this within the next 10 seconds.
Yeah, that news was like nothing.
I'm just looking at Bookmap.
Gotcha.
All right, I pulled my stop loss up into profit. And now I'm just going to sit here and wait. If it pulls back on me, I only made $50. And if it goes higher, I don't know where I'll stop it or close it. How have the Sunday night markets been treating you? Are you doing well with them or just doing well with the streaming?
Last Sunday I did okay. I kept it pretty tight. I don't remember exactly what happened there, but I think I forgot. I was flat on my funded accounts, but I made like 300 in my TPT eval.
All right, I just added 1 mini to that.
You're already up 1K this morning on your Lucid account. Nice, Johan.
That's awesome.
Good job. Yeah, she picked up a Lucid account yesterday using my discount code. Thank you. Very much appreciate that. But make sure you get some payouts on this one. I'm throwing it out there into the universe. Payouts coming on this one.
Payouts are coming. You will see many, many payouts from this account. In very large numbers. All right, I'm locking in $300.
Oh wow, nice gold pop, eh? Damn.
Up 1,000 on one account and 324 on the other one. So We got orders down at 49.53. Oh, hell no. I'm just,
holding this or what?
yeah. There are 154 orders at 4,090, 70 orders at 95. There's 50 orders at 5,000. And then 50 orders at 5,050. So I'm just going to hold this for as long as humanly possible.
Nice.
My stop loss down to $75 in profit, just to give it a little bit more room. And if it stops me out, I'll try and get in again later.
For sure.
Oh shit, I'm glad I did. That would have stopped me out with the 300. Creating a bullish fair value gap at 51.
Oh, you're going to automate this account starting next week, Johan. Nice.
What automation are you using?
I think they do have a max win. It's depending on which account you got, Johan. I think it's now 60% consistency. I will use something called Ghost. This is a new one. Will start February 1st. Okay. I made a strategy who had pretty nice results on backtest. Okay, nice. I guess you can backtesting automation is probably good because it's a pretty strict set of rules and it's no emotional.
That
really makes sense.
that is a fact. Backtesting automation. I mean, if you're not backtesting your automation, you're making a bad choice.
Yeah.
All right, I just put 2,000 in risk on this with another long on gold. Stop loss is down at 49.42 or 49.45.
Well, I got long on YM down at the bottom there. I'm in with 3 minis. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. Stops in profit here. Hoping for some more continuation on this bounce, though. It doesn't look like I'm going to get it here. Trying to be patient here to see if I can. I'm up about 620 right now. Come on, let's make a new. Let's recover a bit here. YM. We're up 800 now. Trail to the bottom of that candle there. Come on, man. Do me nice. I'm actually going to take off 5 right here. Took off 10. I'm up 860 still. I took off 5. I'm up 860 here. I think I'm just going to stop this out, though, if it pulls back. I'm being a little aggressive here. It's kind of at a key area where I feel like it might just reverse. See if it continues to pop here. Come on, boys. We got 2 minis here going left. Come on, YM. Be so nice to me, please.
Don't toy with his emotions.
Don't do it. No, just like I just want it to like go up so I can be close to passing this. Don't do it. Okay, good. Go. Go, go, go. Come on, just do a YM candle like you always do. We just keep going up. Come on.
Just go up, not down.
There we go. Go, 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 go. Yes, go.
Tell Randy to get on the stream and start talking dirty to it.
I'm taking one more off if I can. Come on, bounce it. Okay, I'm in. So I locked in. I'm a little over 1,000. I still have 600 open.
All right.
Yeah, and it's still going up here. Stop just below the 300s here. 95. Come on, Mayim. Let's go. Oh, stop got filled. Okay. Made $1,000. 1,100 times 5. Oh. All right. So these GPT counts are super happy now. I'm up at 1,900. So I'm only 1,080 from passing them now. That was a big trade.
That's an awesome trade. You just made 1,000. I just lost 2.
Oh, shit.
That's all right.
Gold pulled back?
Yep.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, Johan. Thanks, Dad. Yeah, like, yay, Dave. Nice, Dave.
Very good trade. I'm proud of you. Don't mess this up.
Yeah, I'm not touching that account anymore today. I'm happy with that.
I would be too.
I was pretty patient with that one because, like right out of the gate, I was thinking today is not the day to take a long right away on YM. So it seemed like it grounded out, and I went long, and then it actually made a new low, but then I was like, well, this is just the sweep before the bounce, right? because often it's gonna like sweep that low, right? And then the candle wicked right back up, and then it turned around and went up. So oh, what's this? We got news candle right now. Was doing a wobble dance.
YM's getting a little silly again. Getting a bunch of orders, just being, wow.
They got a really big dude on Proper Match today. He's like the camera, right? His head is just takes up majority of the camera, and it's not because it's like zoomed in or anything. It's just like he's just like a big dude, you know? Like he's,
I don't like it.
okay, gold's pulling back. ES and NQ finally looking bullish.
Not really doing a whole heck of a lot.
NQ just doing that slow grind up right now. Orders up at 25, 700, 712, 725, 737, 750. But this is definitely going to be a little key area, the psychological 700 number. Those are a couple nice 5-minute candles there on NQ. We do have a little room to sort of Asia high, London high. Midnight open just got engaged. Damn. You're short MYM, Johan? Nice little rejection there. It has rope structure. Yep.
Yeah, NQ's pushing up again now.
Yeah,
and it's pulling right into the orders up above it.
Great, yeah, at the 700 orders. Got a whole bunch above.
Yeah, there's 750 orders, 702, 712, 725. Damn. Glad I took that long. 25,700.
Nice. Oh, okay, yeah, sorry. I was like, are you talking about how many orders there are? I'm like, I don't see 700 orders, but then I'm like, oh yeah, you're talking about the number. My bad. No, that was all me.
I said, Dave, you stupid.
Oh, I'd like to be able to pass these evals, man. This is gonna be awesome if I can get 5 of those funded accounts. I'm almost getting to that point where I was gonna split them up and do them one by one to finish them, but
Q's getting a little pullback now. Gold's going back up, and Q's coming down. I think this is going to be a short-lived pullback, though. What's that?
Gold held previous day high price level. That was where that pullback was. Close to all-time highs. And
Overnight
just sitting right on
was
value area. I got too many streams going right now. I can't hear.
What you doing?
Is everyone like ASFX TV guys? They're all just like yelling into the mic, and I got that really big loud guy on prop for match. Oh, ASFX has Clay from Top 1 Futures on today.
Oh, nice.
Did you hear about the rule change for Top 1 Futures?
Nope.
So they're giving traders another few percent on the drawdown. So if you go with a 150K account, you used to get 4,500 drawdown, and now you get 6,000.
All right.
So you get an extra 1,500 worth of drawdown, and same with the 100K account. So the 100K and the 150K accounts have I think it's 6%.
Oh, that's cool. Gotta love that.
Up from like 4.5% or something.
I mean, don't risk that in a day or anything, but
it just gives you more room if you want to trade minis, right? That swing, in case you it gives you more shots with the larger size, basically.
what the hell is NQ doing here?
Have you ever watched Patrick Whelan? He now has another host. He is good. Oh yeah, I like D Money, Lafta. Yeah, D Money's good. PW. I watch Patrick Whelan on occasion, and
You
I like D
introduced
Money.
me to. You're the one who introduced me to Patrick Whelan.
Yeah. He's a little bit of a maniac, but he's also a good trader. Like
Oh yeah, I'm not.
Lots of money.
I've watched him a few times. Seems to really like his drama, which
Oh yeah.
cool.
That's why he gets
gets,
successful on YouTube, right?
Yeah, and I get it. So I'm still in that
If you've
micro
got
gold
more scenarios like that,
Oh my god. Siri just started talking to me.
All right. Still in that micro gold long. It's up $170 now.
Nice.
after my $2,000 loss, I'm like not all that happy with it, but I'll take it.
It looks like Tanner's long YM right now. He just got in long not long ago. Yeah, I laughed at. He loves his exotic cars and boats and stuff. He just bought D Money a G-Wagon. Bought him his dream car.
That's cool.
Yeah, he's a nice guy for sure. I mean, it's so funny though. Sometimes when he's like, when D Money's on the stream and then Patrick Whelan's behind him, I swear it looks like D Money's like waiting for like him to smack him on the back of the head or something. You know what I mean? Like he's got that. Like,
maybe he is.
Yeah, like maybe sometimes he gets so excited he just like go. Because Patrick Whelan's just got so much excitement, man. So funny.
But he needs to send him a message. Don't abuse your co-hosts.
Yeah, buy me a snowplow. No, I got a plow for my ATV. That's how I do the plowing here. But we don't have any snow yet, so being on the West Coast, it's still pretty warm over here. Looks like your YM shirt's still working out here.
What's that?
Johan's YM short is working out pretty good.
That's funny. I took a YM long at 49,240.
Yeah.
And it was only 1 micro, so it's up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, you're still in that?
Yeah. I put my stop loss in. It's on my my copied prop accounts. So
okay. That's why you're keeping the size small.
Yeah. I don't want to fool around and get that all messed up.
You're managing multiple trades today.
Yeah, I've got 4 different trades going right now.
Wow. That's crazy. You're on it right now. If Nick took long, maybe I will close my short. Haha. Well, Nick did take the long earlier.
No.
What?
Don't follow me. I'm a big dummy. And it's coming back towards my entry right now. So,
Johan's got break even stop loss right now. Anyways,
perfect.
market is in hesitation mode. Says Alaska. Okay, yeah, I mean definitely. It is Friday, right? So definitely probably going to see chop today because we got people taking profits from out the week. So,
and it's a Friday.
Yeah.
I love Mondays because it seems like for me, Mondays, once the direction gets set, I get into a trade, I hold it for a while, I make some money, and then I'm done. Fridays, not so much. I always tend to get a little more chopped up in the session.
Yeah. Fridays usually aren't as clean, right? The start of the week, everyone's like, let's push it up or let's push it down. And they're like all in together. and then Friday's like people taking profit or people maybe trying to get into a position for the swing over the weekend. I gotta grab a tissue.
You said you were a little snotty. What's going on here?
Okay, NQ, what are you gonna do here? NQ's kind of just flagging out right now. Could almost take this for the next leg higher. Kind of bull flagging.
So what you're saying is I should definitely add to this position.
I mean, maybe down around the 80, 85 area would be a decent place to add. But yeah, this typically this is going to be a bull flag, right? This is a Patrick Whelan trade right here. Flagging out for a bit before it makes a new high. I just took a 1 micro long here at the bottom of that flag. So.
On NQ?
At that 85-ish level here. I'm probably going to start trailing up here if we get back to the top of that channel, which would be sort of at around the 700s. All right, I put my stop up there, 10 points in profit now. I'm going to trail this guy up a little bit more, see if I'm out there. So I made 30 bucks there on that 1 micro.
Killing it today.
Well, I can't just talk about the trade and not take it. I'm saying it's a good place to buy it and then instantly pulled back to that price. I'm like, gotta do it.
Well,
did you buy PW's 199 course? No, I never bought any of his courses. I just from watching. I used to trade flags and stuff, you know, flag patterns when I was like day trading penny stocks and whatever. So like I kind of understand, you know, I've done some work on learning, you know, those patterns. But I never took his course. So I hate the 5-minute TF time frame. So long. Okay, yeah. Yeah.
You would hate mine right now. I'm looking at the 15.
Yeah, that's exactly who I used to learn from. Lafta, Warrior Trader, Ross Cameron, way back.
Oh God.
And
Are
I
you
lost
serious?
so much money back then.
Stay away from that fucking shithole.
Yeah. Yeah, trading penny stocks, unless you're a maniac with hotkeys and got balls of steel like Ross Cameron does, like it's freaking hard, man.
Really, so if you really want to make money and you like Ross Cameron, wait until he does one of his stupid freaking signals for a long, wait for 5 minutes, and then short it.
Yeah, that would work.
I've done it twice just for the hell of it. Yeah, it works.
Worked both times.
There's a reason for that. I don't really want to get into it right now, but
that's because
holy shit,
when he sells it, right? When he's got 60,000 shares.
All it is an online pump and dump scheme. That's it. I mean, you people who love him though.
Look at this NQ. Whoa. There we go. We got the flag broke out on NQ. That's what I was talking about right there. I almost bought it again on that last pullback, and then we wicked right up to the bottom of my trend line here in this flag. And then look at that, just pure explosion to the upside.
It is really kind of funny when you say anything about Ross Cameron or any of those online scam artist shitheel people. I'm using that term loosely. Yeah. Their followers, their culty little weird followers get really angry.
Yeah. Oh, they are, yeah. They're angry people for sure. I noticed that in his chat. Everyone's so freaking angry. It's probably because they're all losing money. Like, how come I can't do it like Ross?
They'll defend that guy to the death, and I just don't understand why. Like, you do, I mean, just look at the lawsuits that he's lost. He had to pay back, I think it was like something ridiculous, like $33 million to people that he was, promising that his course was going to make them millions. And then,
yeah. You see an NQ
lost
right
that
now?
lawsuit. What's that?
Are you seeing NQ right now?
I'm still in
NQ trade still?
Yeah, I'm up $120 on 25 accounts.
Nice. I missed that part.
Oh no, shit. I'm sorry. I'm up $120 on 15 accounts, not 20. 25.
Okay. Well, still awesome.
Q just made a new high.
Yeah.
Pulled back off
yes,
it, but
gold pulling back a bit. YM's bouncing now. Did you close that trade, that YM trade there, Johan? You took that beautiful candle. Nice job. Nice. Good job. Good job. Got to at least get out green, right? That's why taking partials is pretty smart. If you can. Obviously, if you're in only one contract, you kind of got to manage it with a stop, but
yeah, I just added to my to my NQ trade.
Nice. Yeah, could be forming another bull flag up here.
All right, I'm out of my YM trade.
Oh, nice. Good trade. Yeah, I was wondering if you held it through that pullback there. It went a little bit below your price, eh?
Just a little bit.
40?
I was at 40-20. Lost a couple bucks on that one, so
We got a call from Ontario once a day. They're annoying. I don't answer. Oh, yeah.
what was that?
Johan got a call from Ontario. Gets a call from Ontario once a day. They're annoying. I don't answer.
Yeah, who wants to deal with people from Ontario? Ugh.
He just said I posted in the ASFX that 1100 long on winner on YM.
Yeah.
And you know how they go through and like talk about all the wins.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
They're talking about you over on
mine.
ASFX now.
Yeah. We want me buy a car from there. Oh, really? Like, is that Doug Ford? They're trying to sell you a car from Ontario? I mean, they probably would be. They're desperate right now. Especially with them trying to like bring in Chinese EVs. Oh. Let's not get into politics this morning.
You want to see me get angry?
Oh, okay, you're joking, yeah. I was like looking at YM there. I was thinking about taking a short because sort of like it's pretty bearish overall, right? Still, and it was kind of like
YM.
I don't know. It seems like the markets are sort of respecting trend lines right now, like flags. Because I noticed last night I took a couple trades on a flag, and although I sold it early for a small winner, they both ended up popping shortly after. And I was like, man, flags are working right now. And then we had this flag this morning on NQ.
That seems to be working. He says as it pulls back.
Yeah, it's a bear flag for YM though. So it might make a new low.
So we got a bull. So we got a bull flag for NQ, a bear flag for YM.
Yeah,
that seems like a Friday.
Yeah, definitely. And ES is just hanging out in the middle, kind of. Yeah. Good morning, Keith. Good to see you. How's everything going? And yeah, Ford is furious. He's he just feels like he just got completely lied to by Mark Carney. What did he expect? Mark Carney and his new world order.
Are you in an NQ trade right now?
I'm actually flat at the moment.
289 orders just came on at 800.
Ooh, yeah, I see that. There was some orders there before, but it was 260 before, but I guess somebody popped another rough 30 on there, I guess. I did not see Trump proclaim victory for his deal yesterday, no. But I wouldn't guess that he would. I wouldn't doubt that he did that. Keith, your trading sucks today? Well, hey, just lock it out, or sorry to hear that. But your that account that you posted in the Discord was looking so good. He's 50K combine was up at 52,539. That's only 500 away from passing.
Yeah, if you're having a crap day, lock it out.
Yeah, there's always tomorrow. There's always Monday, right? Fridays are typically no fun anyways.
I'm having zero fun right now.
Yeah. Lafta said the Bulls are in charge now. After Greenland, Canada will be next. Yeah. The only problem is Canada's too expensive for the States to buy. Greenland's one thing, but Canada, like, it's a different story.
Tell you what, we'll trade you.
I don't for a second. Sorry, go ahead.
No, go for it.
I was gonna say I don't think for a second that they're gonna try to invade Canada. So unless they're gonna try to buy it, it's not gonna happen. So
how about we just trade Ontario for Maine and Vermont? How's that sound?
Right? Yeah. Well, I think he wants the Arctic, right? So maybe he's going to try to buy like Yukon or Northwest Territories or something from us.
Wants the Arctic now? What the fuck?
He said 3 days ago he was 200 from passing, afraid to take a trade, and when I do, I'm chasing. Never good. Well, hey, wait, just keep trading your strategy, wait for those pullbacks, and at least you're aware that you're chasing, right? So just got to always think, is this a FOMO trade? Am I chasing? And then if you're thinking, yeah, then just don't take the trade, right? But yeah, slow and steady, Keith. You got this. I know it gets mentally challenging when you get close to passing or getting the payout. Both of those two things can kind of like trick your mind into wanting to rush it. So just don't rush it, right? Just be patient and wait for your setup and keep your size down so you don't risk too much. And yeah, it'll come.
Done that more times than I care to admit. About to pass a combine or take a payout, and then you put your head up your own butt and just go and freak out about a trade.
Johan said we can sell some snow.
You got that going for you.
We got a lot of snow up north. Look at, we're bull flags breaking out now on MNQ again. Shish. Above previous day high, just pushing up. So, see, that's more like what I was seeing on the Mag 7 there. Like, the NQ wasn't cooperating with what Mag 7 was originally saying. So that's kind of interesting to keep in mind. We're looking a little more bullish on the Mag 7 and NQ's pulling back. Maybe it's time to take a long at the lows, right?
Take a long at the lows on what?
On NQ. Like if we're, because the Mag 7 was looking pretty bullish, like it was pretty strong, and NQ's selling off. I'm like, why? When the majority of the big companies that are in NQ are all bullish.
Yeah, that. But NQ
Darren
right
says,
now is at 780.
NQ right now is what?
At 780, 776. Yeah.
Getting close to that 800 level. Darren's morning a bit late, caught a small short before I went, so plus 40 so far. Didn't get back in time to get to the New York VWAP backtest on ES. Oh yeah, that would have been a nice trade.
Wow, 4 micros on NQ, and I'm up 192 now.
Nice. Great trade. He said on the bright side, I locked out my 150K up 700. Very good, very good.
Yes. That's what I like to hear.
Yes. On the bright side, or sorry, using the Ichimoku market above the cloud. Is that Ichimoku's like a what's it called? A cartoon character or something? I'm not sure what Ichimoku is. Laughter. Randy just made a funny comment at Evan. Evan's so patient now, he's trading the 15-day chart.
He's trading the 15-day what?
Chart, you know, like the time frame.
Oh God, yeah.
Not the 15-minute, not the 5-minute, not the 15-minute, but the 15-day chart. Sounds like Evan.
No, in all honesty, it wouldn't surprise me.
Ichimoku is an indicator. Okay, gotcha. Japanese exotic moving average type of indicator. Okay. Thanks. Johan and Lafta both answered me there. It's like, I'm not sure what Ichimoku is, or Ichi.
I do like those exotic Japanese.
Something? Food?
Yeah, I'm just going to leave it there.
NQ is so strong right now. Gold's trying to push back up to the highs there.
Oh yeah, gold trade's still doing well.
Oh, nice.
Up 12 points on that.
Sweet. Japanese candles are the rage also? I've never even looked at a Japanese candle before. They look like sushi rolls stacking on top of each other as it's going up.
That would just make me too hungry to trade.
Oh, Haikanashi. Oh, that's with the little bar on one side and then it goes up and then the bar is on the other side. Coffee time.
Yeah, I'm about there too. Still in this NQ trade.
Nice.
Gold's pulling back on me a little bit, but still in that one. Closed out my YM. Took a loss on that.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah, YM's really not doing nothing now.
He was just kind of chopping around this price for the past couple minutes, but there are still a whole lot of orders, 324 orders at the 800 level. So I just added another micro to it.
Come on, NQ, push. Got those orders at 800. I mean, it's got to be the target, right? At least.
I've got my, I'm setting a take profit at 7.99.
Yeah, good call. Because you never know, might just reject right before that 800 block, right?
Feel like getting edged out today.
NQ has orders at 800. So like Nick was saying, probably not a bad idea to front run those orders just in case, because there is 330 there. And quite often when there's lots of large orders, it might might dip in, take a little bit, but it might not even. They might just start selling it at 99 or 98 kind of idea. So.
There it goes. Nice little push up here. Point around with the 78 level. Or 780 level, not 78. Move that decimal point, Nicholas. Yeah, I got to get off this 15-minute chart here. Excuse me.
How was your sleep last night, Nick?
Yeah, it's horrible as always.
Damn.
Sleep for shit. I think that's part of the reason why I'm such an angry human being.
Hard to get a good sleep, eh?
Nearly impossible for me.
That sucks. In 3 days, I have officially doubled my live Tradeovate account. I'm making progress since leaving the prop firm world. Nice, laughed at. using micros. So Lafta switched over to a cash account through Tradeovate.
Good deal.
Nice job. Keep it up. Johan, 15-minute chart is boring, hey Nick?
Yeah, it's putting me to sleep here. Watching that one candle go up and down. But Dave gets bored watching his exotic Japanese stuff because of that too. Same thing, just going up and down.
There we go. We got the Heikinashi candles. Or those are bars. Is that bars? That's not Heikinashi, is it? Or is that what they do? Oh, here we go. Heikinashi. Oh, okay. Heikinashi just shows green until it's bearish, even if it's a down candle on the way up. Interesting.
That's cool.
What's point and figure? There's a bunch of X's and O's. That's so funny. Never looked at that before.
Just giving you hugs and kisses all the way up and all the way down.
Yeah. Kangi. I've never even tried any, looked at any of these. What's Renko? Oh my god.
No mosquitoes are keeping me at night.
Are mosquitoes keeping him up at night? No.
It's not the mosquitoes.
I don't see Ichikomoto on here. Yeah, I don't see that as an option here.
Hey Dave, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
私は日本語わかりますか?
Is that Japanese?
Yeah.
Nice.
So and
sound
you
pretty
just popped
fluent
up.
Is your wife Japanese? I was like, how did you learn Japanese?
Motorcycle trip in Japan.
Oh, nice. Look at gold right now, hey? Ooh, gold's going.
Just ripping up. Oh yeah. So is NQ. Wow. Oh, it's heading straight to those 800 orders.
Oh, yeah. 92, 93.
And I'm done.
You're out. Nice trade. Beautiful.
That was $492 across 15 accounts.
Very good.
I will take that. So I'm closing these accounts down. Heading over here. Oh, you're right. Gold trade is doing well now.
Yeah, it popped up real nice there.
That was like $300 in drawdown.
It was 300 in drawdown?
At one point.
Oh.
When it got down to it was like 49.49 or 49.48, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
So on the 5 minute for gold, we're heading down towards that bearish or bullish fair value gap at 53.30. And it just hit the bottom of it.
I see that, yeah.
Now, is this the point where I buy it because of that dip? Yeah, I think it is.
Do we have any more news on the day? Probably not. Nothing really important anyways.
All right, so I now got two cash accounts, both in gold trades. One's with one mini, one is with 3 micros.
Nice.
So I just bought the one mini on that pullback to the bullish fair value gap, and I'm just still holding. I'm just still holding the micro. But both of them have the stop loss in profit by like $60. So
nice.
I don't really want to put any more risk on the table after that $2,000 loss on this account.
No doubt, right?
But I also want to see gold pop up another 50, 60 points. I am going to go hit the head and grab some coffee. I'll be back.
Sounds good.
Only one like. Come on, guys, be cool to the chat.
Thanks for trading with us, guys. It's less boring, yeah. It's better when there's people to talk to and stuff. Some distractions. I had to refresh my screen to see 4 likes better. Thanks, Lambda. We're usually not pushing for likes and whatever Monday to Friday because it's just all the usual people. So we're just happy to hang out with you guys. Hey, Zar, good morning. The day's going good for me so far. How about you? mixed NQ slowness really offsetting, but happy we managed to break the range. Yeah, it's been slow grinding up, hey. NQ's just still grinding higher here, guys. Gold did that pullback and then kind of almost heading back towards the highs. Sort of getting some resistance up at the 60s level. You entered after Michigan data? Yeah, $100 silver would be crazy, eh? Did the Michigan data even do much to the market? I don't think it didn't really cause much movement, eh?
Hey, I'm up a little bit.
Yeah, that gold trade should be up a bit for you. I was also in a gold there, but I entered a little earlier before that pullback, so I just got out break even. And now it's going up a bit, unfortunately, but
I just did the same thing that you did yesterday. My copier wasn't turned on the Trade Evade account, so I just put 5 minis in on one account.
Ooh. And
closed it quickly.
Okay.
I only lost $67.
Okay, that's exactly how. That's exactly what I lost. Remember?
Oh, really?
It was like $60 something. I closed it right away, and it was like, oh, okay, down 67. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I'm okay with losing $67 on a prop account, but that could have gone very badly.
Yeah, I don't know. My Trade Evade, again, was one of my accounts was turned off, so I'm checking that every day now.
I need to.
Yeah.
I need to do the same thing. Or you enter the trade, look at your copier if you're trading on Trade Evade.
Yeah, and especially if you're going to be trading minis.
Well, these
5
accounts
micro
all
mistakes.
have.
Yeah.
Yeah. These accounts all have. Like, I won't trade minis unless I have about $10,000 worth of drawdown.
Yeah.
So, otherwise, it's just micros.
Oh, top silver went up to 100. So yeah, silver's up at $100 right now.
Wow.
Wow.
That's not something I ever thought I would see.
There goes our. Oh, that's scary though. Hey, what can you do with it up there?
Not touch it. At least I'm not.
Wow, ES is looking so strong right now. Finally. Oh, there goes gold. Damn, too bad. Shouldn't have caught it. Cut it.
I had to just added one mini to that gold trade. Go up for me.
Go up, go up.
You're going the wrong way. The high of session is at 49.70, so look at cutting it somewhere around there.
Move your body, gold. Great finish to the week of trading. Easy to buy a bullion now, but selling it is difficult. Prices are high from many metal dealers. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess so, eh? That gold popped up pretty nicely there on that after that bullish fair value gap bounce.
I still can't believe that silver hit $100.
It's crazy. Johan, I'm done for the day. Take my 1.5K and bye-bye. Have a nice weekend, guys. Okay, Johan, you have a great one.
Yes. Good job.
I just got a phone call real quick, so I'll be right back.
Do it. Gold trade is just bouncing me around here. Very much like to see this break the high a day. The previous candle, and it looks like it's going to, so I'm gonna stay in this for a while. Bookmap just printed a big bullish volume ball and immediately followed it up with a big bearish one.
I'm back. Sorry about that.
So Bookmap keeps printing big bullish and bearish volume balls on gold.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Little pop.
Aaron said, all right, I'm going to head out. Everybody have a blessed weekend. And if any in the U.S. in the eye of that storm, stay safe. Oh, there's a storm right now in the U.S.?
Yeah,
Hurricane
it's supposed to be pretty bad here.
Oh, crazy.
Hey, just took my took profits on that gold trade on my Apex accounts.
Nice. Wow, what a pop.
Like that.
What a pop.
Up 3,000 in one cash account and 800 in the other cash account.
Nice.
All right. So making back my losses from this morning at least. Jesus.
Okay.
I hate it when right off the rip I lose $2,000. It's just
Yeah, no
painful.
doubt. And then you're just clawing it back.
Yep. But I made it back plus 1,800. So
Perfect. That's great.
what's that?
I said perfect. That's great.
Yeah, like I said, it's not a good place to be.
Yeah. Czar said NQ finally hit my main target for the day. Going to leave a runner to cook and touch some grass. Have a great weekend, guys. Okay, Czar.
You have grass growing where you're at?
Gotta get outside. Yeah, Johan just bought that evaluation yesterday, and now she's halfway done already. It's awesome.
That is great. I love it when the people in the chat are actually doing well.
Yeah.
It just makes me smile.
Lafta said, people are going to run back to California. We can continue to enjoy great weather.
Back to Costa Rica.
Back to Costa Rica? Yeah. I wonder if they ever fixed that. I still haven't been able to upload my trades on that account.
On TradeZella?
To TradeZella. Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Weird. Try again here. Okay, seems like it's working finally. Normally it got to 10% and then just crashed. But we're at 51%.
I haven't that thing.
Don't.
How many accounts do you have loaded into it?
A little over 20.
That's your problem. You don't have enough accounts in there. Almost to the halfway mark.
Yeah.
For their limit. They have a 50 account limit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that really irritated the shit out of me for a while. When I contacted them to see if I can get because you can get custom TradeZella.
Yeah.
Where you can add on however many accounts you want to, but they charge you per account. And what it was that they wanted to charge me, I remember just laughing when they told me. I was like, yeah, no, that absolutely not.
You guys are crazy.
I don't need to keep that many accounts in one spot. It'd be different if it was if I was trading through that, like if they had a platform that I was copy trading through, that would be one thing.
Yeah, yeah. Just to log your trades is like, what?
I just basically put 5 accounts per basket into the TradeZella.
Okay.
And just left it like that.
Yeah. So like one account, like basically is 5.
It's basically 5 accounts per prop firm, and then there's a few prop firms that I don't even have attached to the TradeZella.
Gotcha. What do you think about Puerto Vallarta? A lot of expats love it.
Beautiful. To live there, not so much.
Yeah.
Not for me, anyway.
I personally like to travel to the other side, which would be like Playa del Carmen area or Tulum area. Many traders quit
Gold
around
popping back.
London close.
I'm sorry, what was that? Many traders quit doing what?
Around the London close. I guess he's talking about some traders stop trading after the London closes.
Yeah, the volume drops significantly. Or volatility as well.
Yeah. Wondering if we're going to get a pullback. We got a bullish fair value gap on NQ down at the 790s area. Kind of a tricky area though to be taken along, because if we take the 800s, I don't know that I want to be long, you know.
Yeah, but there's a lot more. There's a lot more orders up at 850 on MNQ.
Yeah, that's true, and some at 900.
YM looks like it's pulling up right now as well. Gold's pulling back up. YM's pulling up. NQ looks like it's coming down a little bit. Silver's just looking ridiculous at the $100.50 level.
Oh my god.
Not touching that with a 10-foot pole. Looks like people are placing a lot more orders on gold up above now. 48 at 80. 94 at 49.90. Still have those orders up at 5,000.
Man, that gold just does. Gold's being relentless right now too, just going higher, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Gold, silver. Silver's pushing up at 680 now. 100.680.
Normally, I would be all about taking a silver trade, but at 68 cents over 100, I can't. That's all-time highs.
Yeah. Could be a case
TBD
of buying the top.
Yeah. And if I buy the top on a silver micro, I mean, you're gonna. I know as soon as I hit that buy button, it's gonna drop 10 points, and then I'm gonna have to jump out a window.
Yeah. Oh.
All right. Up 4,000 on a gold trade on one account and 900 on the other one.
Nice.
Just clawing back from this morning. I like that Johan's got cash accounts now and is trading those instead of the prop accounts.
Oh, that's Lafta has a.
Oh, Lafta,
cash.
sorry.
Yeah. Johan's still trading the I think she was talking about. I think she has a similar problem though with not being able to get. She's not in the right province to get the Tradevate cash account.
So if you're in, if she's in Canada, IBKR, you can trade futures on their platform. Charles Schwab, I think you can use in Canada. Don't quote me on that, but
yeah, just for IBKR, the margin requirements are nowhere near as good as some of those other prop firm or some of those other firms. Like you need to have quite a bit of margin to be able to trade those futures.
For
IBKR, yeah.
So the margin requirement for one gold mini is $32,428.44.
Wow. Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of margin to be
NinjaTrader is same price as Tradevate. They own both. Yeah. And I don't think I can use NinjaTrader outside of Ontario and Canada either. So I don't know why Ontario gets so many perks. Like, what the heck? They open it up to Ontario, but not the rest of the country? It's like...
Yeah, that seems really weird to me.
Well, Ontario gets all the benefits in Canada, so... Other than that, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me either. Ontario is basically part of the US, I guess.
Might as well be.
Right? That was pulling back.
Gold just sitting at that 80 level right now.
Coffee.
So with a Tradevate account for the E-mini gold futures contract on Tradevate, the intraday margin is $500.
Yeah, see, that's what I get.
Now, if you want to trade overnight, it's $13,512.40.
Okay.
If you're doing a micro instead of a mini, it's $100, and the overnight initial margin is $2,660. Trying to wait for a pullback to add one into this this gold trade, but it doesn't look like it's going to pull back on me.
No, not cooperating.
I'm not going to complain about it. If it just wants to go up, I will happily just leave my 2 minis on there.
Yeah.
I did just add 1 micro to my 3 micro gold trade though. I got my stop loss down at 961. So it's still got a ton of room.
Amped futures, similar pricing. Yeah.
So what other trading platforms can you guys use in Canada? Can't use
well,
Trade. You can.
Quest Trade, but they don't have futures.
Oh. Well, that's just silliness.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I just took well, I'm out of it already, unfortunately, but I went short on YM and dragged my stop into profit, made 25 there. That was very fast though.
Yeah, that. It sounds like it. Normally,
I entered at 25, and then it went right down to right to the 300s. I dragged my stop down, and then it just bounced and took me out instantly. So, how long was that trade there? Let's see.
7 seconds. It's my guess.
11 seconds. Yeah.
All right, I wasn't too far off.
Yeah. I'm just gonna use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
See you later, Lafta. Yeah, you're right. It is a lot cheaper to just trade during the New York session. And you don't have any risk on the table while you're sleeping.
Yeah, I was a little worried about that bullish fair value gap at the 800s there, and it totally failed, eh?
On what?
On the NQ bullish fair value gap at 97, 93, 94. We just broke right through it and making lower lows there.
Gold's starting to do its inevitable pullback.
Oh yeah, NYM also, like, too bad I didn't hold that because it pushed down. What is that? My entry price was 328. It's down at 258. So 65 points.
With that pullback, I added another micro. Do have a lot of orders down at 49.75. I don't know what the significance of that level is, if there is any.
I just took a quick scalp there on NQ bounce. Oh, damn. Sold early. Oh, well. Up $20. I put my TP there. Yeah. Took my TP. Put 12-second trade there. $20.
Turns out to be a really good. Turns out to be a really good hourly wage. Make $20 every 12 seconds.
Yeah, right. Eh? If you could just do it every 12 seconds for a whole hour, that'd be amazing.
Oh yeah. Whew.
So 20 times, let's say it's every 10 seconds, that's times 6 is $120 a minute times 6, 600, 720 per hour. Right?
That's right.
I don't know. Yeah. No. 7,200 per hour.
7,000. Yeah.
I was like 720. I forgot a zero there.
Move the decimal point.
Yeah.
You're having the same issue I was having earlier.
Lafta, I'm done for the week. See you guys next week. Sounds good. We'll be live on Sunday. Well, I will. Anyways.
You will.
Oh man, look at that! Look at NQ now. Oh, I took 5 points. I was in at 69, and now it's at 800. 30 points, 35 points, runner. It figures. It figures.
You're just killing it with the scalps today.
Yeah. Just should be holding them, you know?
See if gold can get above this new high of day VWAP and stay above it. It's currently going in the wrong direction.
Well, that was weird. I entered a price on Project X, and then I dragged my stop up, and I put it down, and then it just closed the trade instantly, 6 seconds later, and it lost $26. But it's weird because it still showed my order. It said order filled, but it never like took the order away. That was weird. Bit of a glitch there on Project X on that trade. Huh. That was weird.
Excuse me.
That was a weird trade. So I'm actually down $6 compared to where I was at before the last two trades. Lost $6. Well,
total or just on that trade?
Well, you know, I made 20 on the trade before, and then that one weirdly acted out, and I lost 26. So I'm down 6 from. I'm still up $31 in this account, but.
And that was your top one?
Yeah.
They don't have a intraday trailing drawdown, do they?
No. I don't have any accounts that are intraday trailing drawdown. TPT evals, are those intraday? Take profit trader? I don't think so. I think they're end of day.
No, actually.
Well, maybe that was the pullback that NQ needed there before it's going to go target these highs at the 850 level. You know, we pulled back all the way to 763, and now we're bouncing up above 800 again.
All those orders that were on gold down at 49.75 have disappeared. Okay. Looks like they moved up to 4,990.
Yeah, those metals are getting a little scary because it could get a deep pullback soon. TPT evals end of day. TPT Pro is intraday. Pro Plus back to end of day, I think. Okay, thanks, Lemix.
Trading with too many different prop firms right now. I can't keep their rules straight.
Yeah.
That's why I like using the copy trader, because you can set it up for a trailing drawdown or an automatic lockout. Like all my top one futures accounts now, if I make 750 on an account in top one futures, it closes the account for the day, and that's it.
Oh, okay.
Back on gold.
Yeah, I think you're right, Lemex. I just did a little searching there, and so the evals are end of day, but then when you get to the pro, it becomes intraday trailing drawdown, which is like the one where you can take money out, and then if you earn profit and if you get a payout, then you go to the pro plus. To get to the Pro Plus, you need to generate around 5,000 in profit of your Pro account. And then they'll put you in a Pro Plus, which goes back to end of day drawdown.
And that's where you want to be. Got into another micro gold. Oh,
nice. Pulling back a little bit.
A little bit. I'll deal with it for a few. But not very long. I'm out.
You got out of that? All right.
Yeah, lost $50 per account, so.
Shoot. Oh, I just scalped back $30, so I'm back up got my $6 that I was down plus the 20. So I'm back up to $60 in this account. Yeah, I took a long there on the inverted fair value gap entry, 795, and I targeted 7 points. So on 2 micros. And that was an 11-second trade. So my last 3 trades, 12 seconds, 6 seconds, and 11 seconds. Oh, and the YM one before that was 11 seconds.
Really like those super fast trades, don't you, today? I mean, they seem to be working well for you.
Yeah, I'm just putting like a small target, right? And it just keeps going there pretty quick, so.
Gold is approaching 5,000, and unavoidable uncertainty means it could go higher. What do they mean by
gotta love that,
unavoidable
eh?
uncertainty?
Well, Trump's in office, so
Got that going for us.
yeah.
Because you can make decent metal trades.
Yeah. And as
Price
Bitcoin
races
going up
towards
too,
5,000, why silver and platinum could outshine it. All right.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
not trading platinum.
Is platinum
Or at
also a
least
crazy one to trade?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Platinum and silver are both, they're hard to trade.
Bitcoin's popping up pretty nicely today too, from 88,000 to 90,000.
Still can't get into Bitcoin. You're gonna get that next bounce on gold that I was looking for? Maybe.
Getting a little bit of a pullback right now.
Yeah, a little bit. Last 20 minutes has been pulling back 78. Went from 89 down to 76.80. Now it's back up at 81, 81.20.
Yeah, still can never see my name on the proper match duck race. There are just so many ducks, man. They're just so popular.
You'll never see it again.
Yeah,
Unless you're
exactly.
way
All
out
the days of potentially winning are gone. He's got 330 likes today and 41K subscribers. So they're killing it.
Holy shit. That's a whole lot of people watching our Bucci.
Yeah.
Is a day like yesterday at this point, sitting in the same trade now for
Eva.
been sitting in this one gold micro trade for an hour and 5 minutes.
Wow.
You have any plans for the weekend?
Just gonna be working on moving some stuff, so not a whole lot going on for me. Gotta just work on getting everything moved over.
Are other movers coming?
They're coming on Friday the 30th for the big stuff.
Just moving the little stuff on your own?
Yeah, and you know, like I still haven't really done my kitchen, like all my dishes and everything, and like some like linens and whatnot. So what the heck?
So I'm pretty sure this this gold pullback is people taking profits because there are no orders on the book right now underneath current price. It is just, it's pretty barren down there.
Makes sense.
Get a push higher, please.
MNQ's back into that fair value gap.
Bullish or bearish?
Bullish fair value gap.
And I think today I will stick with my plan and just leave this trade on with my stop loss in place and let it go for a while.
Might as well let it run, especially because it's a no risk.
Yeah, I have zero risk on the table with this trade. I've locked in $200 on the micro account and $500 on the mini account. I'm just going to leave this alone for a bit. Go for a walk in the negative 13-degree weather here.
Is it that cold? No, it's not that cold. Oh, it's yeah. You're still in the States. I was like thinking you're.
No.
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, no, if it got to negative 13 in Santa Teresa, I would be thinking that the world was coming to an end.
Yeah.
So even my Tradeify accounts on Trade Evade have done it, where my group settings gone.
Yeah. Weird. Well, we inverted that bullish fair value gap now. Looks like they're going to take it a bit lower here. MNQ.
I was just going to ask.
Not loving the price action though, so I'm not really looking to get into anything at the moment. I'm only up 159 in all my funded accounts, but I'm like I said, I'm up like 1,000 basically on my TPT evals.
That's good. Remember they have a consistency rule.
50%, yeah. So as long as I stay under 1,500, should be okay. And I was up, yeah. So 1,000 still within that amount.
Yeah, I mean, if you
did I set my risk?
Because you need what, 3,000 total for that? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I didn't set any rules on there. Couple more good winning days. I'll probably try to just target like $300 winners now rather than 800 or 1,000 going forward. Just keep the risk down so I don't end up giving back too much on those accounts.
You target
pretty sweet. Yeah.
Target that $200 or $300 level, and if the trade just happens to keep going in your favor, you hold it until it hits 1,000. You got your 50% consistency, and you pass your eval.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's weird. My authenticator just got a new sign-in request for.
Don't worry, it was just me.
I'm gonna deny that. Why is somebody trying to log into my Microsoft account?
Yeah, that's not good. All right, gold came back down, hit the 9 EMA 4 times. Now it's playing with it again. And it looks like it's going to start bouncing a bit, or bouncing around a bit.
What a nice climb, hey, from London close. Gold just went up, up, up.
Bless you.
MNQ's bouncing again, back up into those fair value gaps. I wonder if this is actually time to short this guy. Back in an inverted fair value gap.
I'm not sure.
I'm just not loving price action in this area currently, so leaning towards not taking any trades here.
Yeah, I'm not taking anything else either. I'm just staying in the trades that I'm in right now. Oh, apparently you can trade silver on Apex accounts.
Oh, nice.
I don't suggest it, but I mean, if you want to try and pass an account really fast, like 45
Just
seconds,
risk it.
just at the open, 1 mini, hell, 1 micro on silver, and just see if you pass all of your accounts at once. We ever have a very popular YouTube stream and we're getting paid for it, I'll do that with Apex accounts. I'll just buy 20 of them and then full port them and do one mini of silver.
Right.
See if I can pass it in a minute and a half. Set a timer.
Yeah. The Apex challenge pass, challenge test or something.
Yeah, have a contest to see how fast you can pass those accounts.
So we currently have 17 viewers, 6 in YouTube, 3 in my X, and 8 in your X.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Surprising. For noon on a Friday. Do people have anything better to do than watch our dumbasses?
I think they like the chill atmosphere. It's just too bad that X can't really interact with us here.
Yeah, if you're on, can it? Not gonna fool around with that right now. There's got to be something in the settings to where you can pull up the X accounts on the live stream.
I mean, occasionally I've seen some comments come through on StreamYard from X, but not very often. It's been like 1 or 2 or 3 times.
Still can't get out of this damn gold trade.
Not letting you? Saying maybe it's not yet?
Yeah, this chart's just telling me, no. Wait for a bit.
Bull flagging again.
I'm sorry, what was that?
It's forming a bull flag again.
So I should move my take profit up.
Oh, I am Thou. 150 profit for the day. See you guys next week. That's awesome.
Good job. That's awesome, man.
Very, very good. Very good.
Wow, everybody's winning today, except for me.
Oh, you're up.
Yeah, I'm up now. After getting kicked in the teeth a couple times.
Very nice. Very nice. That's
See,
great.
that's what happens when you watch us on YouTube. You end up with green days. And if you subscribe to both of our channels and hit the like buttons all the time, then what ends up happening is you just get good karma and luck.
Yeah, there you go.
That's how that works, right?
Yeah. Speaking of that, let's I'm gonna link your channel here too. So there's everybody, there's Nick's channel. If you guys want to also head over there and hit that subscribe button, like, and the bell notification so you can see when we're live if you want to check that out.
Yeah, I may end up going live during the Asian session a couple, 2-3 times.
That's a good idea.
Depending on what's going on in the evening.
Mm-hmm. Well, shoot me a Discord if you're thinking about it. Maybe I'll come join you because I've also been
absolutely
about getting on. So
you know me. I'm not gonna do it without you because nobody wants to just sit there and watch me go. Duh. So here's the trade idea that
I'm in.
Yeah. All right, and I'm in. I'm in long on YM.
That's so funny. Like a while back when you would make some sort of like noise or whatever, and I'd be like, "You just got into a trade, didn't you?" It's like, "Yeah, I did."
Now I did. It's pretty bad when we've spent that much time together online to where you can tell when I'm getting into a trade.
Yeah, exactly.
And the same thing with you, though.
You just closed that trade, didn't you? Yeah, I did. Okay. And I'm out.
Funny, Mike Christensen does that shit to me too. From Price Action Live.
Yeah.
Last time I was on their live stream, is like, you're about to get into a trade. Yes, I am.
You got 113 videos on your channel.
How long have we been doing this together?
Good question. If I scroll down here, let's see. 4 months. 4 months ago, it was the first one that you were on with Randy's stream.
That's right.
Yeah.
Randy. Still acting like a slut. Bouncing all over the place.
Oh, I just got a new subscriber. As Drubal Martinez. Subscribe to my channel. I'm at 259 now. Is that what it is?
You got a Martinez?
You got a Martinez.
Martinez. I don't have a Martinez yet. I got a Molina. Tomas. I like the Spanish names. They're fun to say.
Yeah. Yeah, so I am Thou got a 25k eval using my code about a little bit more than a week ago.
Okay.
And
Casting got a payout?
No, not yet. I was messaging with them and took a position in an NQ by accident. And even though there's like a $88 max daily loss limit, it lost $500 in 3 seconds.
Ouch.
Yeah. So been grinding back, but putting in some pretty good days, like $250 days, a $100 day, and a $50 day, and a $33 day. Outside of that, big loss. So consistently making green trades. It's nice.
Consistently green is awesome. Like, there's so many people that just swing for the fences. It's like, oh, I want to make X amount of money.
Yeah.
It never works. Or it may work once in a while, but the amount that you lose between now and then, it doesn't make up for it. Much better off taking small wins consistently.
Yeah.
And if you copy trade using Trader's Post, code NickJ, you can take those small wins and compound them.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah, I'm going to have to figure out how to add more accounts to that. Because once I get my top 1 futures over there, and then I got those 5 TPT accounts, that's going to put me at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 accounts that I need. And I think I only have 5 slots right now.
I'm just going to tell Mike to give you a a call or send you a message. Figure that stuff out with him.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
So all those guys are really cool. Mike and Tom and Peter.
Yeah.
They're all really cool guys. They're fun to deal with. Talk to them a bit. Actually go on their live stream.
Yeah.
And just like price action live. Go trade with them for a day.
Yeah, I should. You mean like actually on their stream?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should.
All right, looks like gold's gonna pop up a little bit more here. Hey. Heading towards that high a day again.
Wow, yeah. I see that. Trying to get up above that high. We got up at the 89s there. It's a high.
High is 89.90. We are at 87.40. All right, go man, go. Give me another 25 points on this, and I'll call it a day. Oh, 15 points.
A friend of mine just sent me a video on Facebook. It's like a chainsaw that you drag behind your ATV to like lop down trees.
That just sounds dangerous.
Yeah.
A chainsaw that
sweet
you drag
also
behind your ATV.
Yeah, it's like it's got wheels, right? But it looks kind of like a chainsaw with wheels that you tow, and it like sticks out to one side, and you can like basically clear trails or whatever.
Oh, it's for just cutting saplings and stuff like that.
Yeah. That's pretty sweet though.
I was just picturing one of those like 48-inch bar still
Yeah. Just like
chainsaws.
Strapped to the back of the ATV, sticking out the side of it.
Got a little mount turned sideways. What are you doing today? Cutting down the oak trees. Bouncing around at this price on gold, but we're above the high of day VWAP. Not a whole hell of a lot on the book map for orders. There's 37 down at 81. And we're printing some bullish volume balls.
Yeah. I just saw a post that Pierre Polyev says that the new data shows Canada has the highest food price inflation in the G7. So we're at 6.2%, Japan 5.1, UK 4.5, United States 3.1, Italy 2.3, France and Germany 1.7, 1.4. So
Wow.
Our food prices are just stupid right now.
Is that why you're so skinny?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm actually a little heavy right now, but yeah, thanks. But to be honest, I have been noticing it at the grocery stores lately. It's like when you go to buy stuff and you're just like, wow, like this shit's just out of control expensive.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone was talking about how chicken and pork are better priced right now. Then now everyone's buying chicken and pork, and now all the pork price went up, pork bacon went up a whole bunch, and chicken's up. It's like, of course, right? People can't afford the beef anymore, so now they go to pork and chicken, and then that's gone up now too.
Just need to buy your own chickens and pigs.
Yeah, maybe I should make a big pig pen at the farm and load up more chicken. I got to start growing some broilers. Chickens. Those are like the meat eating chickens, right?
When your egg hens end up not producing anymore, they become fryers, right?
Yeah, they're just, the meat is pretty tough.
I know. Make soup.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking too. It's like, well, I have a freezer full of young, pretty young roosters that we called, because last time we hatched eggs, 50% are roosters. So we grew them out, to a young age, and then called them all and put them all in the freezer. And then my mom tried to make, she tried to like put one in the oven not long ago, and it's like came out like tough and hard. It's like, no, Mom, you gotta do soup with those ones, or they're just, it's gonna be no good, right? So she ended up feeding the chicken back to the chickens.
Yeah, they're cannibals and they're dumb enough to eat their own. So
yeah, they don't care. Food is food to them. Protein, they'll eat anything, really.
Well, most birds of prey on other birds. So
yeah, that's true. They don't have any moral compass in regards to, to eating their own kind.
Yeah, I've seen hawks take out sparrows on many an occasion.
Yeah.
Getting a little bit more of a pullback on gold.
Yeah, I know. I see that. I was like thinking, is this a short opportunity? But it's so bullish. It's kind of like be pretty risky counter trend trade.
Yeah, I wouldn't be shorting here. I wouldn't be getting into a long here either.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm like, yeah, not really. The risk to reward isn't really there. So an either trade. Now, if it starts breaking down really with some high volume and big red candles, then I would think about taking a short.
49.77. If it breaks below then, I'd be thinking about shorts. But
oh yeah, that's kind of that wick low of the 11:45 candle.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a clay trader?
Yeah.
He's been around for a long time. He mostly does like he's been doing just like stock trading for a long time, and then recently he moved into futures. He's kind of a grumpy guy, but he's pretty funny to watch sometimes. He's always like arguing with the chat, like telling them like he just finished saying like, "Why are you asking so many questions about indicators? Like, you know, you sound like you think indicators are going to be the key to your trading." She's like, "It's only a piece of it. You can't really just go find an indicator and that's going to tell you, you know, you're going to win, right?"
Well, if he's okay, this is just my opinion. So, but if you're going to do a live stream and allow people to ask questions, most of the people watching live streams are beginners. And they're going to have questions about things like indicators and stop losses and take profits and things like that.
Yeah.
So if you're going to do that and you're going to put yourself out there and take questions and comments from the whole YouTube university world, stop being such a grumpy Gus and fucking deal with it, because that's what you're going to get is a lot of beginners who don't understand that the indicator is not what you're trading, not the only thing that you're using to trade.
Yeah, totally.
I said, just an opinion, but
I think he has a bit of a niche though in his style though, because I mean, he's got 640,000 subscribers.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's a whole lot of people.
Yeah. He's got 415 people watching right now.
So basically what happened is his YouTube channel got too big too quick and he doesn't know how to deal with that many questions at the same time. Damn it, I've answered this 492 times.
He's answered the same question 3,000 times over the last 2 months or whatever. It's like, oh my God.
I mean, I get it, but I do understand the frustration, but at the same time, if you're going to put yourself out there like that, you're gonna.
And then he's pretty anal about like, he wants, if you have like a trade idea, because people are always like, I'm going to go long. And he's like, what do you mean you're going to go long? Where's your stop? Where's your take profit? Like, you can't just say, I'm going to go long, like put it all in there. Right. So he's always giving people a hard time about that too. It's like, no, you got to put in the full trade idea. Don't just say, this is a good place to long, right? Where's your stop? Where's your take profit? Blah, blah, blah. It's so funny.
And here's the bounce on gold.
Oh yeah, wow, nice. Yeah, that's why that short was not a good idea, right?
No shorting gold right now.
No. That's what I was saying. There's the risk to reward is just not there.
I can't believe I'm still doing this and it's 12:30.
Yeah, I'm just hanging out with you.
Sorry, bud.
I've been flat for like the last hour or so.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
It's all good.
Yeah, I'm literally just sitting here managing a micro gold trade and a mini gold trade.
Nice.
I'm just going to double check and make sure that my prop accounts don't have anything on them. No. All right, we're good. Excuse me. Yeah, I literally don't have anything to do other than manage these because I'm not taking a trade at high of day on gold or silver or anything like that, or this close to high of day. I haven't even really looked at NQ or I haven't looked at ES at all today.
Yeah. So I had a pretty rough month, but I clawed back to down 437 on the month now. So I had a 1, 2, 3 big losing days where Monday the 5th I lost 2,300.
Okay.
Wednesday the 7th I lost $5,000. And then Sunday the 11th I lost 1,000. So between those 3 days, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,300 lost.
All right.
And then out of the rest of the month, now I'm only down 437. So I made 2K on the first week, and now I'm about 2K basically on week 4. And I clawed back week 3 from negative 1,000 to up 262. So,
all right, that's a hell of a a clawback.
yeah.
So that's across. That was an $8,000 loss across multiple accounts, though, right?
Yeah. It was basically, but it's all my funded accounts. So I did take pretty big hits. Like some of these top 1 futures accounts, they're in pretty bad drawdown now because they were so high. Like I was up quite a bit, and then now like I only have 680 drawdown in this 150K, and my other one has 1492, so 1500 drawdown in the other account. So yeah, just gonna slowly grind these guys back up, hopefully here.
Keep your size small and don't FOMO into any trades up at high of day. I mean, you know the routine. It's not like this is your first rodeo.
Yeah, I had a bit of a tilt week there where I was like overtraded it a little bit on a couple of days because I had been, like I said, I was going through such a green streak that I started bringing up my size, and then I hit a bit of a slump. Plus I had some added life stresses that were happening, so definitely noticed it there. But finished the month. Hopefully, if I can have another decent week, finish the month green, which would make me feel pretty good about it. So, I mean, technically, if I count my TPT evals that I took today, I'm up $5,000, right? Basically on those.
Yeah,
but I'm not. Those aren't in my. They're not being logged. So,
are they funded accounts?
No, they're just evals, right? So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't put them in there until I'm gonna wait till they get funded, and then I'll put them in there.
Yeah, it's the same way I do it now. I don't like. Actually, no, I do have some of the evals in there, but it's mostly just funded accounts.
Yeah. So right now I'm only logging funded accounts right now currently.
It's a better way to do it. I'm actually considering taking my Trade-A-Bait live account, and you can only deposit $2,500 per day into that account, or per deposit, and it takes 2 to 3 days for the deposit to go through.
Oh,
that's irritating.
Yeah.
I'm seriously considering taking some of my other live cash accounts and just putting them into a Trade-A-Bait account, so that way it's easier to copy that way. There's a couple of them like IBKR, you can't copy trade your futures trades. Really? Yeah. It's impossible to do. Not impossible, but it's a pain in the ass to do. So I was thinking about taking those accounts, cashing them out, and putting them into a Trade-A-Bait account. And then if you have a Trade-A-Bait account, you can have a main Trade-A-Bait account, and then you can get 4 more or 3 more. Yeah, 4 total. So 3 more that you can keep as sub accounts.
Oh, nice.
So you can copy trade the same way that you would with your TPT or TOF accounts.
Yeah.
And that's how I like to trade. So, but the bitch about it is you can only transfer $2,500 at a time.
Uh-huh. So you put it into your main account, then you got to move it from the main account to the sub accounts?
No, you do them all individually.
Okay.
But your main account, all of the accounts, it's like I said, $2,500 a day, and then it takes 2 to 3 business days before that transfer goes through.
Yeah. So you're potentially losing a week worth of trading kind of thing to move those
Yeah.
over.
Doing transfers from one brokerage to another, to a bank account, then to a different brokerage. It's already enough of a hassle. And then to have to do that like 25, 30 times to get your account up to the level that you want it.
Yeah.
Because if I'm going to trade minis on a cash account, I want at least $50,000 in the account.
Yeah, for sure.
Actually, it should be more than that on a cash account because you shouldn't be risking more than 0.5% per day. At least that's how I like it.
Mm-hmm.
You risk 0.5% per day, and you take profits when the chart's telling you to.
Maybe
gold
wire
is just. I'm sorry,
Lemek
what's
said
that?
maybe wire it rather than Lemek said maybe wire it rather than ACH.
Thought about
ACH
that.
is?
Still a $2,500 limit per day.
Oh, damn.
So gold is just fighting with this 87 price here. Looking like that's resistance. And as I say that, it breaks through it. All right, so that happened.
Boom.
I need to make comments like that more often.
Yeah.
Oh, that 5,000 level is, that's where the resistance is.
They're listening.
You gonna go there? Boo.
I'm short NQ right now. It's fallen like a bit of a knife here. I might get stopped out. Break even. Oh yeah. Too bad. Made $5.
5 extra bucks.
Yeah.
With no trailing drawdown. So awesome.
Yeah, it's quite the move lower there. I really was I was eyeballing it at 73, and I was shy to pull the trigger, and then it just jumped way down to 60. 13-point push. Probably going to go lower here. What would be our target? We have a bullish fair value gap right at previous day high. Making a new low here on NQ. Orders down at 37 here, about to take those potentially. Back to previous day high. So that was the target. Whether or not we're going to bounce here is going to be interesting. Orders down at 25,700 below at the far side. That's quite a bit ways. That's at the New York VWAP. Where is it? Very high volume on this sell-off candle. Ooh, I was tempted to go long here in this bullish fair value gap. It's right at the New York VWAP right now. But that's a pretty strong push lower here. Don't really want to catch a falling knife.
Wait until it's done dropping and then turns around. You buy on strength, you sell on weakness. Seems to work for me anyway. Oh my
Consolidating right above that New York VWAP. $9.45 candle, new 15-minute here. Pushing back down to that VWAP. Seems like they're trying to hold the VWAP. Oh, wow. There goes the bounce.
Well, Dave, I think I'm
wrap
just gonna
it?
put my stop. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put my stop loss in and walk away for a couple hours. Prices
Sounds good.
just literally just bouncing around right here. We did a double top on the 15.
Yeah.
There's no orders underneath on Bookmap. It's a Friday, so I'm not expecting any real big movements at almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go make myself some lunch and come check on this and see where I'm at in an hour or two.
Nice. Yeah, sounds good.
So I will maybe see you Sunday.
Okay. Sounds good.
I won't come on the stream with you, but I will definitely bust your balls a little bit and leave you some ridiculous messages.
Nice. Sounds good.
Yeah, it was a good week.
Yeah.
I will see you.
Yeah, two really killer days you had back earlier in the week, right?
Yeah. I should know better than to do anything with size on a Friday, though. Because today just started off my day just kicking me in the damn teeth. So, and
nice recovery, though.
I should know better, but I'm an asshole.
Yeah.
So, all right, Doc. I'll see you on Monday.
Sounds good. See ya. And on that note, everybody, I think we're going to just wrap up the stream here. I was originally planning to get off about an hour and 50 minutes ago at 8:30 my time, which is 11:30 East Coast. But here we are. We're just hanging out with Nick, being moral support for his trade that he's been locked in on for the last who knows how long. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. Good to see you, Lemix. I am Thao. Lafta was here earlier. I think he took off. Zara took off. Johan took off. Who else did we? My dad was here a bit earlier also. Thank you. Darren, Keith. And I think that's the shout outs to everybody we had on today so far, I think. Oh, and we had Luke this morning, first thing in the morning, but he hasn't been around for a bit. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back live Sunday night for the Open at 6 p.m. East Coast time, or maybe 7 p.m. I haven't set my time yet, but usually I start sometime around 6 to 8 p.m. East Coast time on Sundays. So hopefully I'll see you guys then. You guys have a great weekend. Hopefully your week is green and your day is green, and stay safe and have a wicked weekend. And we'll see you on Sunday. Peace out, everybody.